Fluffy omelette. Before we begin, it's very essential to choose which pan is right for your omelette. The small one is 2 eggs. The large one is 4 eggs. We crack 2 eggs in a bowl and put a dash of salt, and then we stir. The secret to fluffy omelettes is how much you put air inside the omelettes. So this is how it looks. Then on a medium heat, you put olive oil and 1 spoon of butter. Make sure the olive oil is heated before you add the butter. Now add 2 tablespoons of milk or soya if you're on a paleo diet. When the butter melts, immediately you pour the batter. Now you take your spatula and start with this movement. It's very essential to do this movement because this is what's gonna raise also the eggs. So from the side to the center, from the side to the center. When it gets thicker and not runny anymore, you fix it as a perfect circle and you leave it. In less than half a minute, while it's still soft in the center, it's time to put the cheeses in. Here I mixed 2 kinds of cheeses. You can put whatever cheese that you like. I added 1 tablespoon of mozzarella cheese and 1 tablespoon of cheddar cheese. Spread the cheese, fix the egg, and then immediately flip the egg from one side. Close it to the lid, turn off the fire, and let it rest for 1 minute. Now the egg is cooked perfectly from inside without being hard. Loosen up the egg before you put it on a plate so it doesn't stick. Enjoy your meal.